In this video, we're going to show you how to do a feature replacement. If you look at the programming browser, I have a segment open, and I have a plane measurement, and I've assigned it as datum A. Now, also below that, I've got some surface measurements that I created constructed cylinder 2 from. We're going to come back to that. Right below that is cylinder number 1, which we've assigned as datum B, and a line that we've assigned as datum C, and we have a local coordinate system created from A, B, and C, and then a convert to master. Now, what we want to do is all of these surface points and the constructed cylinder 2, we want to be using those instead of using the cylinder 1 in all of this coordinate system. Now, normally we'd have to delete all of the coordinate systems, delete the datum label B, delete the cylinder 1, and then go in and rebuild everything for the cylinder, the constructed cylinder number 2. But we don't have to do that now. We can just use the feature replacement command under the modify ribbon. And all we do is we pick the old measurement, which is the original one, the cylinder 1, and then we pick the feature that we want to replace it, which is the constructed cylinder 2. And now if we hit enter, you'll see that not only is the cylinder 1 gone, but the constructed cylinder 2, CC2, is now the datum B. And if we actually go in and look at the local coordinate system here, double click on it, you can see that our datum B here is indeed the CC2, the constructed cylinder 2. So we've replaced the original one with the new one. Thanks for watching.